Nursing is not a difficult profession. Nursing is not a difficult profession. Nursing is an empowering profession.
Whenever we take care of them, we should start with what? Good, motivated attitude. No? When we go inside the patient's room, nakangiti kayo, you look great, you look nice. No? Sila masama pakiramdam nila. But when they see you, they definitely will feel better.
Please join me in welcoming our radiant influencer, Miss Tony Miranda.
Oh yeah, sayo tayo. Ay, kaya po ba yan? Okay, pagpunta sa table nyo, dapat magtindihan sa'yo. Okay, kulang pa sa energy. How about this table? Yeah, okay. How do people experience you? The people around you, how do they experience you? Do they experience you, or do they experience being beaten up? Or upbeat? Beaten up? Ganun na tayo sabay-sabay? Beaten up? Or upbeat. Pero love na love ko yung beaten up, parang di pa kinsaktan ng beaten up. So how do people around you experience you? Do they experience being beaten up or upbeat? Now, I want to ask you, what's your choice? Every time you report here in MMC, what's your choice? Do you choose to experience being beaten up or upbeat? Pakita nyo nga sa akin, anong choice nyo? Upbeat. And that's life, right? We experience both, being beaten up or upbeat, or are we that person who multiplies positivity, or are we also that person who sucks the energy with your negativity? How you start your day affects your energy. So I'm going to give you 3 tips. What you focus on, what you listen to, and of course, the other one, what body language you communicate. Why again? Why? Sabi nga nila, breakthrough, fulfilled dreams, answered prayers, happens in a positive, energetic, faith-filled atmosphere. Nursing is not a difficult profession. Nursing is not a difficult profession. Nursing is an empowering profession. Nursing is an empowering profession. You can see there that somehow you have achieved a lot of milestones, right? Maybe milestone na nakakain kayo ng weekend, milestone na nakatulog kayo ng 8 hours. So you will see there in your timeline a lot of positivity and a lot of, sabi natin, small wins. Agree? So there, when you focus on the downside, when you focus on the things that you cannot do, it will also expand. And when you focus on things that you've already done, succeeded on, or sabi natin you've won over, it will also encourage you. So how to start your day? First is to check what you focus on. So when you focus waking up, ay, naku, ayun na naman, dami ko na mga pasyente, tapos hindi naman ako tutulungan ng co-nurse ko. So when you focus on that, it will definitely expand. Agree? But when you focus on, hi, another day, and how many days have I won? How many battles have I won? And how many patients have I helped? Never condemn yourself. Instead, understand the root cause. Why? These are coping mechanisms. These are coping mechanisms. Baka nag-pile up. So you're not aware anymore of who you really are because who you are every day is a coping skill. Maybe you are observing from each other, so you are stressed. So what you are seeing pala from each other are not the real them, but coping skills. So ang ina-address nyo is a coping skill, and it's just the tip of the iceberg, right? Pag sinabi, ba't siya late? Kasi dumaan pa nag-shopping. Ba't siya late? Kasi nag-Netflix buong gabi. So, lahat pala ng ina-address nating problema ay coping skills. So, what you see is not what we will solve because what we will process today is what? Puso mo. Tumitibok ba ang puso? Your heart has 3 levels. What's the first level? Mind. What's the second level? What's the third level? The deeper the level, the more powerful. So, ano yung deepest? Desire. That's MQ. Understanding your desire makes you do this. So, eto na yung stress. Eto na rin yung mukhang stressful na tao. Mukha lang, hindi ka. So, may stress na, may stressful pang tao, at may stressful pang environment. So, when you don't have MQ, eto mangyari. Pag stress mo sa akin, yun, ganun, attack mode. Ganun nga kayo? Pag may nagsistress sa inyo, go, try nyo lang. Maramdaman nyo malang na nag-a-attack kayo. Kasi mukhang mga mababait naman to. Atakahin mo siya. Okay? Di ba? Pag na-stress kayo, meron din namang mga backfighter. Yung ang bait, di ba? Oh, yes, doc. Yes, nurse. Wow! Ganun pag tumalikod yun, no? Talaga. Backfighter yan, okay? Grabe. Marami ako na-meet na na-master niya. Yung pagtalikod, backstabber siya. Backfighter. Okay. Now, when you have MQ, this is your tendency. You learn how to step back. Process first, and then balik ka ulit.
Hello po, I'm Carl. So, yung takeaway ko po sa about MQ is we always have to know yung root source po ng problem natin or yung action na ginagawa natin. And also, para ma-learn natin how to separate things, lalo na yung work and personal life natin. So, para hindi na natin madadala yung problem sa atin at work or sa iba pang mga tao.